Are you feeling bloated, tired, or struggling with digestion? If yes, then your gut health might need some extra love. Here are 5 incredible foods, scientifically proven to heal your gut, boost your energy levels, and to improve your overall health. Watch till the end, because along the way, I will also give you a quick way on how to easily incorporate these foods into your daily routine. And if you're allergic to any of these foods, consult with your physician. 1. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are loaded with probiotics, good bacteria that balance your gut microbiome. Probiotics improve digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance mood. To maximize benefits, choose products labeled live and active cultures and avoid those loaded with added sugar. 2. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These fiber-rich veggies are packed with prebiotics, feeding your healthy gut bacteria and helping them thrive. Prebiotics also promote the production of short-chain fatty acids, which reduce inflammation. If struggling to eat enough greens, you can add spinach to smoothies, bake kale into chips, or toss greens into soups for an easy boost. 3. Bone broth. This ancient remedy is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, which help repair the gut lining. A healthy gut lining prevents toxins and undigested food particles from leaking into your bloodstream, a condition known as leaky gut. Make your own broth by simmering chicken or beef bones with veggies and herbs for 12 to 24 hours. It's nutritious, cost-effective, and customizable. 4. Bananas. Don't overlook bananas. Rich in prebiotics and gentle on the stomach, bananas are ideal for anyone with digestive issues. They also contain potassium, which supports hydration, a key factor in gut health. Pair bananas with probiotic-rich yogurt or nut butter for a perfect gut-healing snack. 5. Ginger. This powerful anti-inflammatory soothes digestion, reduces bloating, and stimulates gut motility. It's been used for centuries to treat nausea and improve overall digestive health. Grate ginger into your tea, add it to smoothies, or use it in salad dressings for a zesty kick. To make the most of these gut-healing foods, combine them into your meals. For example, start your day with a yogurt and banana smoothie, sip on bone broth at lunch, and add leafy greens and ginger to dinner. These 5 foods are your secret to better digestion, energy, and overall health. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more food and health tips.